Today is a clean with me day, so this entire video is going to be a clean with me video. The reason is because I have been so totally swamped with work and writing my books and marketing my books and then planning the HOA conference, Homesteaders of America conference, and I have just been so busy that I haven't had time to clean my house. So today I'm focusing on two rooms, the kitchen and the living room. And then I'm gonna focus on the hallway and the bathroom. So basically the immediate upstairs living area is what I'm concentrating on today. And I thought you might need a little bit of motivation, so I'm gonna take you with me and just clean. Ready? Let's go. Is pretty much done. There's this stuff over here that has to go out to the chickens. I can't do anything with that right now. The table is pretty much done. Again, I gotta put these away. I've got to finish dishes, but gotta wait for this stuff to dry. And then everything else, I don't have like this pristine countertop. We like having things that we love on our countertop. So that includes books and eggs and my fermentation station over here, which I need to take care of before I start. So now I'm going to get started on the hallway. Now, some of this stuff came out of the kitchen. It just needs a place. Half the stuff that is clutter in your house just needs a place. But that stuff down there is clothes that need to go in the bedroom. And then I have to get started on the living room. Now the living room, this is the only part that's cluttered. I have some stuff along here that I need to go through. The rest of the living room is okay, but it's just the entryway that I need to do, and I need to wash the door. Who in their right mind has a white door in a house like this? Me, apparently. In a 900 square foot house that is still a fixer-upper, there are some things that can just not be helped. So we have some projects going on. So we've got some project stuff here. It's Mark's. I leave it here. There's our cousin Jaden doing some woodwork for us. And it just has to stay here. So yeah, I just have to get used to it. It's a little bit of clutter. It's not as bad as it used to be. I still need to go through this stuff. So also in a small house, you have to make use of good space. So I had some books that don't fit on this massive bookshelf. I think we're gonna extend the bookshelf over or go do one downstairs. So I bought this crate, this antique crate. It's so awesome. I got it for $5 at a antique store, a new antique store in town. $5. It was actually only $7, and then they gave me a percentage off since it's a new store. So I got it for $5. And so Mark's sister didn't want her old books. Like, oh, come on. Who doesn't want the Babysitter's Club? So I love books, and I told her I would take them. And definitely Charlotte's Web, right? We're gonna read that one day soon. So it looks a little cute, and it doubles as storage, but for now, I want to go ahead and tackle this nasty white door. I have tried all kinds of things for that nasty door, but I'm going to tell you, I've tried natural stuff, I've tried making my own cleaner. The one thing that works is the Mr. Clean Eraser. I know, don't shoot me, but it works like a charm. So this is one of those instances where I suck it up and use the commercial product. Just where it was needed, gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead in the eye of time. Nobody is losing, faces merge and change, but your face remains the same. Kitchen is done, the hallway is done, the living room is done, as much as I can get it done, minus the project stuff. Now it's the bathroom. The final room that I am super cleaning today is the bathroom. The bedrooms are gonna take a whole nother day. The basement is a whole nother story. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean the bathroom, take you along with me. It's gonna be really quick because we only have one bathroom and it's really small. And I hope that this video motivated you, got you up off your butt. I'll tell you, there are some videos out there that are clean with me videos that super motivate me. I watched some of them yesterday. I found one of my most favorite channels like ever, and it's brand new. I just found her yesterday. It's not clean with me videos. She does have some, but it's farmhouse videos, and it's called, the YouTube channel is called Farmhouse on Boone, and I'm going to try to link her below. I love her house. I love her life. I love her kitchen, and she is kind of inspiring me to keep up with my house a little bit more, because that's the type of farmhouse decor and kitchen and house that we are going for, as you can tell with my kitchen. And so yeah, so check it out. In the meantime, I'm gonna scrub this bathroom, and I hope you guys were motivated today to get some cleaning done of your own. Have a great day. Happy homemaking. When we finally saw